this lesson, I would like to talk about epithelial tissue. So before that, I would like to show you this picture in which you can see all the types of tissues present in our human body. See, epithelial tissue are the ones mainly do the function of protection and the covering. Either it can be on the top of the body or it can be organs inside the body. And muscular tissue are the tissues which are meant for providing movement to the body so that we can move from one place to other place. Connective tissue on other hand, these are the tissues which do the connection between organs or bones, you can say. There are a variety of them which we'll discuss later. And neural tissue are the ones which involve in transmitting the commands from the central nervous system, that is brain and spinal cord, to all the body parts to do a specific function. So let's move into the first category of tissues that they come under epithelial tissue. Now looking at this, you see here there are around four varieties of epithelial tissue. Like I said earlier, epithelial tissue are meant for covering and as well as protecting the body and organs. The number one is the squamous epithelium. It is characterized by having single layered cells. I want all of you to observe this one. See, look at this. They are single thin layered. You can see simple squamous epithelium. Only one layer. You can see this. There is no space between the cells, and their boundaries are irregular. They are not a specific shape. The boundaries are irregular in nature. Where they are located? They are especially located in the walls of the blood vessel and as well as air sacs, which we call them as alveoli of the lungs. And even you can see on the surface of our lips, these are the cells present. That's why they are very sensitive to different conditions around the body, especially weather conditions. And the main function is to do the diffusion. Diffusion means movement of material between two cells is very easy. That means materials move from high concentration to low concentration area, especially and during the breathing also, like air, oxygen diffuse into the alveoli and carbon dioxide present in the alveoli diffuse out of the body. So that's why these cells are very sensitive. They're very minute and single layered cells. Next comes the cuboidal epithelium. The name itself tells. Cuboidal means the cells look like cube-like structure. Look at this, cuboidal cells. They are also single layered. They are present in the kidneys, especially in the nephron. Nephrons are the basic unit of kidneys. They are meant for filtering the blood. Okay, and that is where these these tissues are located. You can see nephrons. The main function is to release something. Cuboidal cells secrete something, and also they absorb material into them. Third type of them are called columnar epithelium. You can see columnar epithelium are having a characteristic feature of having a cylindrical long structure. See? And they are also single layered cells, tall, slender, and also help in secretion and absorption. They secrete some chemicals, either it can be a hormone or an enzyme. Sometimes these columnar cells have cilia on the top of the body of each cell. Let me show you here. See, look at this. These are the columnar epithelium having cilia, hair-like structure. On the top of it, you can see clearly visible there is a nucleus, and you can see the cilia. That's why they are called ciliated epithelium. And where they are located in the lining of the stomach and also intestine. And what is the function of it? You can see they move the particles or the mucus in the specific direction over the epithelium. So these are the columnar epithelium having ciliated cilia. And here comes the glandular epithelium. Glandular are the ones nothing but the cuboidal cells. Even you can see the cuboidal or columnar epithelium cells, they become specialized and they start secreting something. Suppose if they secrete enzymes, all of them are coming under exocrine glands, and if they secrete hormones, they are coming under a category called endocrine. You can see enzymes. Sometimes even saliva secreted by salivary glands, earwax in the ears, oil from the sebaceous glands of the skin, hormones on the other hand secreted from these glands like growth hormone from thyroid. See, all of them uh, are all coming under a category called glandular epithelium. And the last part, compound epithelium. Compound epithelium are nothing but many layers or multi-layered cells. Like our skin. Skin is the best example. Skin is the best example, which is made up of many layers of epithelial cells. That's why they're called compound epithelium. Multi-layered. See, dry surface of the skin, even our mouth, buccal cavity, and these are all some of the examples that come under epithelial tissue. Right? You can see the function of it. They do the protection, being many layered.